We're back, fellow knife enthusiast, and today we'll be talking about the Cold Steel AD-15 with the Scorpion lock. This is a collaboration, I guess you'd put it, between Andrew Dimko and Cold Steel. It's a high-performance version of the AD-15. Let's go ahead and show you how it works. As you can see, it snaps in there. Pull up to release. And then, of course, it has a thumb stud for, opening. I wanted to make sure I was doing it right. Let's talk a little bit about it. This AD-15 is 8.5 inch overall. The blade length is 3.5 inches. It's a CPM S35VN blade with a drop point style blade. Flat grind, satin finish. The handle is 5 1/4 inch. It is a tip-up carry, right or left. Not sure if you can see it there. Has thumb stud on both sides for opening, so left-handed or right-handed. The handle width is about 1.12, so it's a pretty thick handle. The frame is stainless steel. The blade width is just a little bit over 1, about 1.2 inches. This is made in Taiwan. It's model number 58 SQB. Weighs in at about 6.5 ounces. And of course, it's considered a lockback on this Scorpion lock. But no matter how it opens, let's show you how it cuts. We'll start off with some paracord. Very smooth cut. A little bit of fraying. Let's see how it does going forward. A lot less fraying. Let it give it that olay. One more. So it cuts very smooth. Nice little blade. So if you're a Cold Steel person, this is definitely a knife to add to your collection. So you can see it cuts with relative ease. I'm barely pushing down, and it cuts right through the cardboard, as you would expect it to. It's going to be extremely sharp, Cold Steels are. It's going to do decent at spear cutting. It is a drop point, so it's going to cause the blade to plunge further in instead of staying up near the tip like a spear point or a tanto would do. As you can tell, it cuts very smoothly. Since it is S35VN, it's going to stay sharp longer than a standard like D2 or something else. Let's see if we can get this really close for you. So once again, this is the Cold Steel AD-15 with the Scorpion lock. Nice little knife. So for those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do tons of reviews, weekly giveaways. If you're watching on YouTube, then you won't be disappointed there either. We do a weekly show, and it is informative as well as funny. Might even get a guest appearance from my mother-in-law. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.